We also want to take a look here at some of the other commands, such as show IP protocol, which will actually show the routing protocol of RIP being executed here, sending updates every 30 seconds, next due in 7. You will see the other timers invalid hold down in flush. I see my version control by default. I'm sending version 1 and receiving any version on the interfaces I'm routing for, the networks that I'm routing for, and the current routing information sources, 252.2, 253.2, and 2.2, are all routing sources that are sending me data. My distance default is also 120. Now I want to take a look at another command, which is show protocol. And if I use the show protocol command, you will notice that it gives me a nice condensed display of each and every one of my interfaces. It does tell me that Internet Protocol routing is enabled, and it shows the status of each interface as far as the interface being up or down and line protocol up or down, or if the interface itself is administratively down. This is a great command to use. Anytime you want to just check the validity of your interface configuration, look at the IP addresses, and verify that the interface is in an up state. So that's a great command to have in your arsenal when you're actually checking your configuration. Now I do want to do one other thing here with RIP to make sure that you understand the classful anomaly that we talked about, to make sure that you realize that RIP does not take anything beyond the classful boundary. I'm going to do a show run, and I'm going to scroll very close to the bottom of my configuration where it will show my router RIP information here. Now notice router RIP network 172.16.0.0. You can see that information has been added. Now I'm going to go into global configuration mode. I'm going to go back into the router RIP process, and I'm going to execute no network 172.16.0.0 to take that command out. Just go ahead and end and view our configuration again, and you will notice that router RIP is still configured without a network.